today we're just going to be going back and basically tightening up things that need to be fixed. So we're going to start out with the transmission mounts, work our way to the rear diff, remove the rear diff, hopefully remove the rear subframe, take the diff to go get welded, and just, yeah, tidy things up, I guess.
Hell yeah.
Now that it's running, the main goal is to basically get it roadworthy and safe so we don't immediately die. That's kind of nice.
Everything's tightened down.
Yeah.
Ooh. We good?
Yep.
Alright, cool. And it's gonna be different seeing me on this channel. Honestly, yeah, y'all don't even know me. I'm Jay, you know what I'm saying? I'm my boy Rob, that's my man's right there, you know what I'm saying? My boy Quentin the cut over there too, you know what I'm saying? Always chilling. That's the boy. But yeah, tell them what we got going on today, Rob.
So we gotta just basically make everything safe to drive. So we're just starting out with the trans mounts, tighten everything down so we can go full send and our transmission doesn't flop out on the ground.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, so these guys over here, they're the experts, honestly. I'm amateur hour, but you know, I learn as I go. These boys, though, they know what they're doing.
Alright, so that's pretty much.
But yeah, we got a lot of work apparently to do on today's E30.
But they're fucked up. I don't know if you want to come show them this. This is.
Hey man, it's a working. We working on it.
So this diff is crusty as hell.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, she is.
You want to go ahead and
Unfortunately.
spray down the axle nuts or bolts? Yeah. It also looks like our diff is leaking too.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
just a little bit.
The axles are disgusting.
Just a little bit. Keep the blicky on them. That boy keep the blicky with him. It's so late though. If you guys are in the 757 area and you need your car worked on, man, mess with my boys here at South Performance, man. I'm telling you. Come on. Come on. Bro, pull up. You know what I'm saying? Interracially owned. You know what I'm saying? Well, interracially worked with. You know what I'm saying? You know, we got people. You feel me? Hey, I'm telling you. My boy Rob keep it groovy over here. Come get it. Come get it.
Hella vibes.
Exactly. Come on, you know the vibes.
Hella vibes.
Come on, what shop you know got a painting over there in the corner? But come on now. Come on, we so zen in here. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's lit over here.
It's the feng shui in here.
That's why I'm right. Tell him against the feng shui for my boy.
Yeah, I thought Tommy's front sway bar bushings were bad.
Yeah, I was just looking at yours.
All right, so what we about to do first?
We're gonna remove the axles first. So we got the fuel system up here. So we gotta be kind of careful, but we're basically gonna try and break these free and then drop those out and then pull the diff down, which is questionable, seeing how nasty a lot of this stuff is.
Damn.
Yeah, so hopefully it can come out like this. If not, we're gonna have to take it off with the subframe and basically lower it down. So the rear wheels are gonna come off, like everything. This whole big part is gonna be coming off.
Oh shit.
Found it first try.
Nice.
All right, well y'all heard the man. He's got a lot of work to do today.
There she goes. No, that was the bolt coming loose. Yo, Quet just had a mini heart attack.
Yeah, he thought he broke it.
I thought it was my ratchet. I'm like, this is my favorite ratchet. This is my baby.
Backhoe would be like, that's another $200, please.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all
Is
see
this
it?
diff drained?
Is
No.
that bolt a little juicy up there?
Can
You
we-
see
can we
it
do
right
that?
there? You see it right there?
Ow.
How you want to drain it?
Well, these bolts are juicy.
Alright. Get a pan for it.
Bro, these bolts are juicy. These bolts are juicy.
Juicy as fuck, bro.
I don't know why that's so funny. Oh, dude, that was almost bad. I'm so glad I got that on film. I'm so glad I got that on film.
Flip off.
Yeah.
Let me know if you need a man to do it. Quet knows I can break any bolt. Ah, that hurt. I just punched.
You have your hand up, I told you not to?
No.
I really hope I got that on film.
You got it?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Put some stank on it. That's right. Alright, it's on you. Just bring it down. There you Dang, that's all. You probably just gotta pry it from here.
Whack it with a hammer.
Yeah. Like a coconut.
Give it a quick pop.
What you say, bitch?
Oh.
A B for mess prep,
Yeah.
because that wasn't that bad.
Nah. Probably should have drained it first.
I said that. Did I not say that? I was
did.
like, Rob, do you want to drain it? He
You
was
did.
like, nah. Let's just take it out.
Come
full
on,
of
man. The
fluid.
boss man's fucking up.
Let's just take it out full of fluid.
I just said lick the stand and send it, brother.
Oh, it smells too.
Can you hold this?
Y'all ready to get high as hell?
Too late for that.
Uh-oh.
Got the brake clean.
It's too late for that.
Yo, quit your weapon. With the big blast, brother.
Okay.
Big guns. We got big joints.
We out here smoking big doinks and Amish.
Ain't no
Big
silence
doinks
on
and
it.
Amish.
Joint got the snub.
Thumbs
nose
up
on
if
it.
you know where that's from.
Joint got the snub nose on it.
I'm going glasses in, brother. Ooh.
Coming in blasting.
Bust it down.
Alright, as y'all can see, man, we got the differential out today. We gonna call it for the day. Big man Rob says that's it for the day. So my man's here is cleaning up, dropping shit while he's doing it.